Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to effortlessly generate an AI image using the free preset prompt in the CapCut apps. So first, on the CapCut homepage, you just need to click on this AI images feature. So if you are on the CapCut free, you got 4 free attempt to use this feature. So just choose your image. So for example, I'm going to use this image right here, and there you can just find the prompt, click on this hot option, and these are some of the prompts that you can use. So for example, I'm going to use this one. Click on a prompt, click on the use prompt, and adjust the intensity. Then click on generate. And just wait for CapCut to generate the AI image, and this will be the final result. So this is from the before, and here is the after or the result. So you can just click on save, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on like, leave a comment, and click also the thanks below. Bye.